Please use subtitle translation to select desired language. Nicotinamide mononucleotide, NMN, is a form of vitamin B3. It is a direct precursor to NAD+ and has garnered attention for its potential health benefits, particularly related to aging and energy production. Here's a detailed overview of its functions in the human body. 1. Energy production. NMN is converted to NAD+ in cells. NAD+ is essential for the function of enzymes involved in cellular respiration, the primary energy currency of the cell. 2. DNA repair. NAD+ is crucial for the activation of enzymes called sirtuins, which play a significant role in DNA repair and maintenance. This helps protect against cellular damage and supports genomic stability. 3. Regulation of metabolism. NMN and NAD+ involved in various metabolic processes, thereby influencing how the body processes nutrients and produces energy. 4. Cellular signaling. NAD+ serves as a signaling molecule, influencing various cellular pathways and responses. It plays a role in regulating cellular health and function. 5. Anti-aging. Research suggests that NMN supplementation may help counteract age-related declines in NAD+ levels, which are associated with various age-related diseases and conditions, including metabolic disorders, neurodegenerative diseases, and cardiovascular issues. 6. Mitochondrial health. NMN helps maintain mitochondrial function by supporting the energy production processes within these cellular organelles, which are critical for overall cellular health and longevity. 7. Immune function. NAD+ is important for the function of immune cells, and adequate levels of NMN may help support a robust immune response. Here are some specific populations that might consider NMN supplementation. 1. Older adults. As we age, NAD+ levels naturally decline, which can affect energy metabolism, DNA repair, and overall cellular function. NMN supplementation may help restore NAD+ levels, potentially improving vitality and mitigating age-related decline. 2. Individuals with metabolic disorders. People with conditions such as obesity, type 2 diabetes, or metabolic syndrome may benefit from NMN, as it has been shown to improve insulin sensitivity and metabolic health. 3. Athletes and active individuals. NMN may enhance energy production and improve endurance by boosting NAD+ levels, which could support athletic performance and recovery. 4. Those experiencing fatigue. Individuals suffering from chronic fatigue or low energy levels might find NMN supplementation helpful for improving energy metabolism and overall stamina. 5. People with cognitive decline. NMN may support brain health and cognitive function, making it potentially beneficial for individuals experiencing age-related cognitive decline or neurodegenerative conditions. 6. Individuals under chronic stress. Chronic stress can deplete NAD+ levels. NMN may help replenish NAD+ and support cellular health, which can be beneficial for managing stress-related health issues. 7. Those interested in anti-aging benefits. NMN promotes longevity and enhancing overall health span by supporting cellular repair and function. 8. Individuals with poor diets. People who may not get enough NAD+ precursors from their diet due to poor nutritional choices might benefit from NMN supplementation to help boost their levels of this vital coenzyme. NMN supplementation is generally considered safe for most people, but it may have potential side effects. 1. Gastrointestinal issues. Some individuals may experience digestive discomfort, including nausea, diarrhea, or abdominal cramps. These symptoms are often mild and may subside with continued use. 2. Headaches. Some users have reported headaches after taking NMN, particularly at higher doses. 3. Fatigue or drowsiness. While NMN is intended to boost energy levels, some individuals may experience fatigue or drowsiness, particularly if their body is adjusting to the supplement. 4. Changes in blood sugar levels. NMN may influence insulin sensitivity and blood sugar regulation. Individuals with diabetes or those on blood sugar lowering medications should monitor their levels closely when taking NMN. 5. Potential allergic reactions. In rare cases, some individuals may experience allergic reactions, including skin rashes, itching, or swelling. 6. Interactions with medications. NMN may interact with certain medications, particularly those that affect metabolism or insulin sensitivity. It's important to consult a healthcare provider if you are taking other medications. NMN is one of several precursors to NAD+. Here's a comparison of NMN with other common NAD+ precursors. 1. Niacinamide, a form of vitamin B3. Conversion: niacinamide is directly converted to NAD+. Effective for raising NAD+ levels but may not be as efficient as NMN or NR. Bioavailability: well absorbed and utilized by the body. Benefits: known for supporting skin health, reducing inflammation, and improving cholesterol levels. Price: affordable. Considerations: high doses may cause side effects such as liver toxicity. 2. Niacin, another form of vitamin B3. Conversion: converted to NAD+ through pathway which is less direct than the conversion from NMN. Bioavailability: well absorbed. Benefits: effective in improving lipid profiles and cardiovascular health. Price: low cost. Considerations: may cause flushing and discomfort at higher doses. 3. Nicotinamide riboside, NIR, a form of vitamin B3 that is structurally similar to NMN. Conversion: easily converted to NAD+ through NMN as an intermediate. Bioavailability: highly bioavailable and effectively increases NAD+ levels. Benefits: associated with improved metabolism, neuroprotection, and anti-aging effects. Price: more expensive than niacinamide and niacin. 4. Tryptophan, an essential amino acid. Conversion: involves multiple steps and is less efficient. Bioavailability: dependent on dietary intake and conversion processes. Benefits: important for serotonin production and overall metabolic health. Price: affordable. Summary of comparison effectiveness. NMN and NIR are often favored for their direct and efficient conversion to NAD+. Bioavailability: both NMN and NIR have high bioavailability, but NMN may have an advantage in terms of direct uptake by cells. Side effects: niacin can cause flushing, while niacinamide may lead to liver toxicity at high doses. Price: niacinamide and niacin are the most affordable options. Here's a general guideline for the typical dosages of each precursor. 1. Niacinamide, 500 mg to 1,500 mg per day. It's usually best to start at a lower dose to assess tolerance. 2. Niacin, 500 mg to 2,000 mg per day, often divided into multiple doses. Extended release formulations may help reduce flushing. 3. Nicotinamide riboside, NIR, 250 mg to 300 mg per day. 4. Tryptophan, 500 mg to 1,500 mg per day, often taken in divided doses. Tryptophan is often used for its effects on mood and sleep, so timing may matter depending on the purpose. 5. Nicotinamide mononucleotide, NMN, 250 mg to 500 mg per day. Conclusion: when considering supplementation, it's advisable to start at the lower end of the dosage range and gradually increase as needed. Additionally, consulting with a healthcare provider before starting any new supplement regimen is important, especially for individuals with underlying health conditions or those taking medications. This video is intended to provide health information. If you have a medical condition, please seek professional advice. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like and share. Your support is my biggest motivation.